Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. Guys, today's video I'll be doing Subway, a foot long. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification on, so you can get every time your girl uploads a new video. Y'all don't know, Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I got the spicy Italian. Spicy Italiano. I totally just put that on the floor. Ooh, let's open this bad boy up. I was like, let me hurry up and come eat this, because, you know, Subway, their sandwich be getting swaggy. It be getting too swaggy to eat. Ooh. And this was $6.49 for the footlong. Da 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 da. Thumbnail. Let me see if I can get two up in here. Wait. Da. I'll probably just. I don't know if I should eat both or just half. I'm gonna try the big half first. What was in here? You got pepperoni and salami, and I got shredded lettuce, tomato, banana peppers. I got mayonnaise. I got salt and pepper, oil and vinegar, and I got some ranch. Yep, that sounds about right. There it is. There she goes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I could have got more toppings, but I was like, the toppings they had looked like it'd been sitting there forever. Forever. So if I could get up in here, let y'all get a bite with me. See, I haven't had Subway in so long. Years. Years. Right now I got it on a Italian bun. The regular Italian bun. The Subway I went to, they didn't have any $5 footlong. I don't know if they even still sell $5 footlongs. Subway. I need to tighten up because this thing is good. And I have some water over here on the side to wash down all this goodness. Let me turn it around this way. See all that juice? If I could have I could sit here and eat tomato with some salt and pepper all day. Okay, this thing is so good. My cousin, as a child, man, that boy, he will go to his mom's shop and get a tomato. He'll be snacking on tomato all day. Like, how that boy fat? I'm so fat and every day man I'm tomato. What the hell is this on my damn shit? You know, I'm gonna go to a different Subway next time. I don't think this Subway, the one I went to, is the most righteous one. I was watching someone's mukbang and they didn't. They had some Subway sandwiches. I was like, damn, that junk look good. I haven't had Subway so long, so I was like, you know what? Let me go get it. Let me go get it. I was gonna get 2 foot long, but I was like, damn. I thought that, I was like, that's too much. Too much moolah. Probably should have bought another one. So I can bring with me tomorrow. And if y'all decide to go to Subway, get it just like how I got it, because this thing is amazing. Oh shit. I put my cap. Only had room temperature water today, so that's what I'm working with. And it's freezing outside, so it's still kind of cool. This thing is good. Yeah, I don't know if I should open it up. That's a swapper. Open up down here. Woo! Yo, yo, yo. I think Subway kind of out. Ooh. I think Subway kind of outplayed now. Like back in the day, 2008 and all that, Subway was popping. Now, you lucky if you see a Subway shop Where you at? Probably have one or two. Nobody no on the Subway no more. Even though it's good. The thing turn up. Guys, if you're still here watching this, and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Oh, it's black pepper. Oh. Hope everyone is ready for the holiday. Alright guys, that's it. Better turn up, drink some water. Ooh. Oh. Woo! Alright guys, hope everyone have a great Sunday. Hope y'all weekend went awesome. Okay, awesome. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all of the above. Leave me a comment down below. Woo. Let me know what y'all want me to eat next time. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, okay? Catch y'all on the next video. Bye.